Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The best Infiniti G35 is probably one of the most sought-after luxury sports sedans from its era, offering a compelling blend of performance, comfort, and premium features that continue to make it a desirable choice for discerning drivers even years after its debut, making it a standout option for those seeking an engaging driving experience without breaking the bank. Number 5. Duracell 2025 3V Lithium Batteries 2 Count. Introducing the Duracell 2025 3V Lithium Batteries. They provide reliable and long-lasting power for your essential devices. These 3-volt batteries are designed with advanced lithium technology. You can trust them to perform when you need them most. Keep your key fobs and car remotes powered up with these batteries. They are the ideal choice for these critical everyday items. Beyond remotes, these batteries are suitable for a variety of other small electronic devices. Their versatility makes them a great addition to your home. Count on Duracell for quality and dependability. This 2-count pack ensures you have a spare ready when you need it. What we like. If you need dependable power for your car's key fob or remote, this is the choice. It offers long-lasting energy to ensure your devices are always ready when you need them. For reliable performance in small electronics, consider this option. What people say. Works perfectly in a car key fob. Longer life than generics. Reliable in precision devices, calipers, scales. Number 4. Sinoparcel D2S Xenon HID Headlight Bulbs. Experience driving with enhanced visibility. These bulbs provide up to 3 times the light of standard halogen bulbs, ensuring a brighter and safer journey. Enjoy a comfortable driving experience with light output similar to OEM. The 8000K cool white light offers excellent clarity and reduces driver fatigue. Built to last with an all-steel alloy bracket seat for increased strength and durability. These replacements are designed for long-term, stable performance. Designed as a direct replacement for your stock D2S HID bulbs. Please confirm fitment for your vehicle's trim and specific chassis codes, especially for BMW models up to 2005. Benefit from a lifespan 5 times longer than halogen bulbs. These bulbs offer a more stable light output and are designed to reduce the risk of electrical issues. We offer lifetime support for your purchase. If you encounter any issues, please contact us through your account center for a prompt response within 24 hours. What we like. If you're looking to significantly upgrade your car's nighttime visibility, these bulbs are a great option. They produce much more light than standard halogen bulbs, enhancing safety and comfort during night drives. For a brighter, more durable lighting solution, choose these. What people say. They came with gloves because apparently you have to be really careful with the electricity when installing, but installation was doable. I appreciated the gloves they came with, and they were great. The emitting light is great. Looks similar to the original and quite bright. They are awesome bright blue looks OEM factory super clean and clear beam of light. Definitely worth the purchase. Number 3. Detroit Axle Brake Kit for Infiniti and Nissan. Upgrade your vehicle's braking system with this comprehensive kit. It includes everything you need for a full front and rear replacement. Experience superior stopping power with our drilled and slotted rotors. They are designed for optimal performance and heat dissipation. Our ceramic brake pads provide a quiet and smooth ride. They are engineered for durability and consistent performance. This kit is designed to fit a wide range of Infiniti and Nissan models. Please check the fitment details to ensure compatibility with your specific vehicle. Drive with confidence knowing your purchase is backed by a 10-year warranty. We stand behind the quality and reliability of our products. What we like. If you prioritize safety and performance in your braking system, this kit is for you. It offers enhanced stopping power with drilled and slotted rotors and durable ceramic pads. For peace of mind and a reliable upgrade, consider this kit with its extensive warranty. What people say. Noticeable improvement in braking. Still working great after 4 months. It got rid of all the noise and made a huge difference for brake feel and performance. Even at this price point, these rotors come drilled and slotted and already seem much more rust resistant after rain. Number 2. Infiniti G35 G25 G37 Q40 Sedan Window Visor. Enhance your 2007 to 2015 Infiniti sedan with these JDM VIP-style window visors. They offer a sleek look with chrome trim for a premium appearance. Designed to match the OE factory style, these visors feature elegant chrome trim. They are specifically made for the four-door sedan models of the G35, G25, G37, and Q40. Installation is a breeze thanks to the pre-applied 3M automotive-grade tapes and included mounting clips. This ensures a most secure fit for your vehicle. Don't let rain or snow stop you from getting fresh air. You can now roll down your windows to defog the glass and ventilate the cabin, even in inclement weather. These visors will dramatically improve your car's styling and appearance. Please note that this is not an in-channel style item. What we like. If you want to add a touch of style while improving your driving experience in inclement weather, these visors are ideal. They allow you to crack your windows during rain or snow for fresh air without getting wet. For a sleek look and practical functionality, choose these. What people say. Easy to install with a quick video and extra hardware in case it gets loose or breaks. Fit well on my 2007 G35 sedan. They fit perfectly, easy to install and stick really good. Number 1. Nissan 350Z and Infiniti G35 Haynes Repair Manual. Unlock the secrets to maintaining your Nissan 350Z or Infiniti G35. This manual is your comprehensive companion for all your repair needs. From routine maintenance to complex repairs, we break down every step. Get the expert advice you need to keep your vehicle running smoothly. This guide is specifically designed for models from 2003 through 2008. Ensure you have the right information for your specific vehicle. Featuring clear diagrams and step-by-step instructions, this manual makes even challenging tasks manageable. Understand your car like never before. Empower yourself to handle repairs and maintenance. Save money on costly shop visits and gain the confidence of DIY expertise. Trust in the renowned quality of Haynes repair manuals. We provide accurate and reliable information for enthusiasts and professionals alike. What we like. If you're a hands-on owner who likes to tackle maintenance and repairs yourself, this manual is essential. It provides detailed instructions and diagrams for a wide range of tasks on your specific vehicle. For anyone looking to understand and maintain their car, this is the ultimate resource. What people say. Extremely useful and detailed data that will help repairs go smoothly. Great manual for doing any job if you are a DIY guy. Absolutely a lifesaver when trying to do your own repairs. YouTube and this book combined, and I could disassemble the car down to its frame and put it back together better than Nissan. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.